हरे कृष्णा। श्री ईशोपनिषत् मंत्र 3। असूर्यनामते लोका अन्धेना तमसा वृता तमस्ते प्रत्याभिगच्छन्ति एके चात्महनो जनः। The translation is the killer of the soul. Whoever he may be must enter into the planets known as the worlds of the faithless, full of darkness and ignorance. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness, explains in purport that there are only two kinds of human beings all over the universe. One is Suras and other one is Asuras. A human life is distinguished from animal life on account of its heavy responsibilities. Those who are cognizant of these responsibilities and work in that spirit are called Suras, the godly, and those who are either neglectful of the responsibilities or who have no information about them are called Asuras or demons. This material world is sometimes compared with an ocean, and this human body is compared with a solid boat designed to cross over the ocean. The Vedic scriptures and the Acharyas or saintly teachers are compared with expert boatman, and the facilities of a human body are compared with favorable breezes which can help the boat smoothly ply to the desired destination. If with all these facilities a person does not fully utilize his human life for self-realization, such an Asura must be considered Atmahana, a killer of soul. The killer of the soul is destined to enter into the darkest region of ignorance to suffer perpetually. Intelligent human beings must always remember that this particular form of body is obtained after an evolution of many millions of years of transmigration of the soul. The Suras always aim the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord Vishnu and act accordingly. Their ways are as illuminated as the path of the sun. Sri Ishopanishad, in which His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada given the wonderful purport and explanations, are available in all ISKCON temples. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.